Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kakenya. This place used to be a quarry, but it's filled with water and it's no longer being used. So big, very big place. We have cars over there on the highway, and decided to take this road today. See where it leads me to. This is where I'm coming from. Yeah, those are cars. Now today is a sunny day here, and in the morning it rained for some hours, but then after that we have the sun. So there's also another place that looks scary. One could probably fall into that place if you're not careful. It looks like some construction was going on there, but they stopped. Just have some walls down there, but there's a little building here. Sorry. Now that house looks like it was being occupied a while ago. You realize that in front ahead we have beautiful trees. Beautiful gates. I don't know who this is. The good road just ended here. Now we are getting to the other one. Wow, there are completely no people here. Just a tunnel where the train passes. There's a railway here. Trees and vegetations. Actually don't know if this place is safe to go all by myself. There's one building there all by itself within the trees. This is how it looks. now filled with water because there was a lot of rain. There was really rain in this place, and then there are no people around here. I'm all by myself. It's quiet. I can just hear some frogs, but I don't like frogs. Let me see this other end of the quarry and the houses that are bordering just at the end of the quarry, at the edge. I really don't know how those buildings were made and how firm their foundation is. Maybe that could be the reason they stopped digging the quarry. Look at this place. It has a nice view of the highway. Cars are running so fast. Now I want to find a place and sit. I think I'll sit on this rock. Yeah, I hope there are no reptiles. I can't sit there. There could be dangerous reptiles like snakes and all that. Yeah, but there's this small bird here. It came to drink water. It's running. Yeah, it's a nice place, and although it's not like a good picture to the environment, but at least it's somewhere that's secluded from residents, except these two buildings that have been built there. But I guess that's why they stopped digging here. The water that has collected here is a lot of water. I just left the quarry and now I can see a greenhouse. Greenhouse is like a controlled environment for growing crops, seedlings and all that. Yeah, and it's really big, really big. It goes from this place to down there, very fast so. And it also has a beautiful fence. But then this other side just has water laying around from the rain. So this place I've never been here. So I don't know where it leads to. So I'll follow this way. All these up to that other side, and then around those buildings is surrounded by grass, and then this grass has water, like this one here. It really rained around this place. See here, have water, all that place. So I'm basically going to cross here slowly because of the stones. Not all of them are stable. I managed. And then have some other buildings. Yeah. just want to see this area because I've never been here. I was even wondering if I'll find a way out, but at least I saw one. A building here, some kids playing, some other land here. These places, if you have a business, put a poster like this one. Yeah, that one, you put your business and your number or maybe your location so that people can come looking for you. Also, if you are how do you call these people? A witch doctor. Yes, if you're a witch doctor, also put up your poster like that one up there on that tree. Electricity pole actually. And so this place is cool, and I think the road is finally came across the road here, and that's when my video will be ending here. I just came from that's the greenhouse, that one, yeah, that one. Came from the other corner. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys.